Hello, my name is Lovisa and I'm a product owner in the LS Pay team at LS Retail. In this video, I will go through the hardware station setup for Valitor USB connection. Valitor plugin has two connection methods, USB and Ethernet. In this video, I will go through how to connect with USB. This plugin depends on a local setup, and before it can be configured in LS hardware station, it must be properly configured locally. Browse to the folder where the setup is located. Open the ips-link.ini file in an editor of choice. The configuration lists the properties for the terminal, the port, IP address, serial port, and the baud rate. Open the device manager to see what port number is given for the terminal. In this case, port number 14. To see if the baud rate is correct, select Properties, Port Settings, and check what is selected in the byte per second list. Select 115 to 100 and press OK. At this point, I assume the LS hardware station has already been installed. Browse to the localhost 8088 and log in. To create new EFT, press Create EFT and name the EFT a descriptive name for the terminal. Now select the payment service provider from the payment provider list. In this version, Valitor is named AltaPay. Open the EFT list and select the plugin that was created. A list of available settings is displayed to manage the connectivity with the terminal or host. Connection type is USB. No changes are made to the IP address, and the main port should stay at 4001. When all settings have been registered, press Load to load the plugin with correct settings. To validate if the connection has been correctly configured, press Purchase and enter amount and currency. The terminal should display the amount and continue with the purchase process. The process ends with approval. The connection has now been validated, and we know there is a connection between LS hardware station and the terminal.